Hello everyone, this is Dinesh Sharma from Raise the Bar with DS, and it's my turn to read all these words. Okay, the word list as per number of letters, 50 letter words that start with re, reapportionment, retroperitoneal, reaccreditation, reindustrialize, resurrectionist, resystematizing, restrictionisms, restrictionists, restrictiveness, responsibleness, restrengthening, retroactivities, retransmissions, retinoblastoma, retentiveness, retroreflections, retroreflectors, retrospectively, retrogradations, revalorizations, reversibilities, revivifications, revitalizations, revolutionizers, revolutionizing, revolutionaries, revolutionarily, reincorporations, reimplantations, rehospitalizing, rehabilitations, rejuvenescences, reinstallations, reintegrations, reinvestigation, reintroductions, remythologizing, removableness, remonstratively, remonetizations, remorselessness, remobilizations, renationalizing, rememberability, remanufacturers, remanufacturing, rematerializing, relinquishments, religiousness, repairabilities, repetitiousness, reorganizations, reorchestrating, reposefulnesses, repolarizations, reproducibilities, replicabilities, reputationists, republicanizing, representations, represtations, reprivatizations, reproachfulnesses, repulsivenesses, requisitenesses, re-registrations, reservationists, resentfulness, resectability, resourcefulnesses, respiritualized, respiritualizes, respectableness, resocialization, resistivenesses, resistibilities, reacclimatizing, reactionarisms, reforestation, reasonabilities, recapitulations, recalcitrancy, recanalizations, recallabilities, reauthorization, reconfirmations, reconnaissances, reconsolidating, responsibility, representation, recommendation, reconciliation, reconstruction, reorganization, reconnaissance, redistribution, reconstructive, respectability, recapitulation, retinoblastoma, repolarization, retroreflector, restrictionism, rejuvenescences, reintegrations, reintegrating, reintegrative, redescriptions, redevelopments, redistributing, redistributive, redispositions, rediscountable, reducibilities, reductionist, reduplications, re-embroidering, re-encountering, re-establishing, re-examinations, refrigerations, refractiveness, refractivities, refractometers, refractometric, refractoriness, refrangibility, reformulations, reforestations, re-exportations, re-experiencing, referentiality, reflectorizing, reflectometers, reflectivities, reflectiveness, regressiveness, regressivities, regularization, refurbishments, regardlessness, regenerateness, regimentations, recapitulating, recapitalizing, rebroadcasting, recalcitrances, recanalization, recalibration, recalculations, reattributions, rebelliousness, reaggregations, reaffirmations, readablenesses, reactionism, reactivities, reactiveness, reacclimatized, reclimatizes, reaccelerating, reacquisitions, rearticulating, reasonableness, reapportioning, reapplications, reappointments, rearrangements. Reconstructors, reconstructing, recontaminated, recontaminates, recoverability, reconfirmation, reconnoitering, reconsecrating, reconsecration, reconstituting, reconstitution, consolidated, reconsolidates, reconciliatory, reconcilements, recomputations, reconcentrated, reconcentrates. Revolutionary, retrospective, reinforcement, revolutionize, reincarnation, reprehensible, recombination, recrimination, reprographics, reverberation, republication, reciprocation, reincorporate, reflectometer, resegregation, retrogression, recrystallize, reconsolidate, revolutionist, reduplication, re-rationalize, reverberative, republicanize, republicanism, reprographic, reprographies, reprographers, reproductives, reprogramming, reproducibles, reproductions, reprovisioned, reproachfully, reproachingly, repristinated, repristinates, reprivatizing, repressionist, repressurized, repressurizes, representable, reprehensions, reprehensibly, repositions, repopulations, repopularized, repopularizes, repositioning, reposefulness, repositorially, replicability, capability, replantation, replenishment, repleteness, replenishable, repeatability, repatriations, repairability, repercussions, repetitiously, reorientating, reorientation, reoccupations, reoccurrences, reorchestrate, renouncements, rentabilities, renunciations, resensitizing, resentfulnesses, resegregating, resectability, requisitioned, re-regulations, re-registering, requisiteness, repulsiveness, repunctuation, re-solidifying, re-socializing, resourcefully, respirometrics, respirometric, resistibility, resistiveness, resistivities, resistitially, resettlements, renaturations, rendezvousing, re-encountering, renegotiation, remonstrators, remonstration, renominations, remonstrators, remonstrantly, remonstrative, remonstrating. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity.